What's going on, Sumolings? It's your girl, Lindsay from AppSumo. Thank you for joining us for another product walkthrough. We're going to get going in just a minute, but I want to give everyone a second to trickle in. Today we have Sultan, who is the founder and CEO of WP Content Pilot Pro. WP Content Pilot Pro is a WordPress plugin that allows you to automatically create and publish high-quality blog posts with your affiliate link. It's an awesome tool for all of you content makers out there, and we are very excited to dive into it today. WP Content Pilot Pro is available right now on AppSumo, and it's starting at the very low price of just $39. Before I turn this over to the walkthrough, I just want to tell you two quick things. First, if you have any questions, you can leave them below in the Q&A box. We'll be sure to answer them at the end of the video. And next, we'll send out a replay not long after we're done recording. It'll go up on YouTube. So if you want to watch it, if you feel like you've missed anything, you don't have to take any notes or anything like that. You will be able to watch this again as many times as you like. All right, I think we're ready to get started. Sultan, thank you for joining us today.
Yeah, hi.
I'm going to turn this over to you for the walkthrough. Sumolings, again, if you have any questions as we're going through it, go ahead and leave them below in the Q&A. I promise we will get to it. All right, I am turning off my mic, turning off my video. It's all you.
Okay. Hi, this is Sultan from Pluginiver team, and I will be demonstrating how you can get most from the WP Content Pilot Pro. You already know WP Content Pilot Pro is for auto blogging, content curation, and affiliate marketing. So the plugin is actually for everybody, but it works best for who want to keep their site updated all the times with new and good contents that will be automatically curated. And for affiliator, it automatically insert affiliation code, and you get the earning without actually doing anything, just by setting the campaigns. I assume that you already know how to install WordPress plugins, and I have a fresh installation of WordPress site that I just installed with WP Content Pilot and WP Content Pilot Pro. Oh, our plugin actually have two modules. One is basic, which is on WordPress plugin repository. Comes with very basic features. Then another is Pro with all the things, advanced level thing. So our Pro version actually works on top of the WordPress Content Pilot Pro free version. So you must be installed both of the version. No worries. If you don't install the free version and start with the Pro version, then it will ask you to install the free version as well. And there is a button. If you click, it will automatically click the install the free version. So after you successfully install the plugin, you will see a new menu in the admin dashboard, WP Content Pilot. That's have some sub menus for their specific use cases. Like here is the page. You will see all the campaigns that you will have with campaign name. Is the campaign active or not? What module is running on that campaign? How much you set the target? How frequently that will run, and when it was last run. Those are all for this page. Then we have add new, where you will be adding all kind of modules here. Then the plugin status, which is actually all about your hosting environment. This will need, if the plugin is not working, that might be that should work in a way, then you may come to us with this information. Then log is for what's going at the behind of WP Content Pilot, like when a campaign is running, what was the result, is the campaign running successfully or not. You may see error if there are any. Then settings section has like all the module specific. You may need to set for some modules if you are using, others is all okay. The one is for every modules, that is common, that is miscellaneous settings. That's all about it. Here you can like get, whenever new post will be published, you can get notified by that things, or if you want to remove the plugins, all of its data when you are uninstalling it. That's it. So those are all about like general things about the plugin, very basic. Uh, I will uh, I will try to show you some of the modules. It actually comes with 20 modules. So this is the very basic skin of whenever you want to create any module, any campaigns. Like here is the place you will put the a friendly name of the campaign, just so you know why you created the campaign. Then it has some specific sections. All like the first one is campaign type. There comes all the campaign. You can select which type of campaign you want to run for this campaign. Then the, this section is specific to the campaign. Like it will change depending on which kind of module you are selecting from here. So like for a feed, this is the feed links, where you will put the links from where you want to get the content published on your site. Then content type. Um, Here all the fields are module specific. Some might be common for every module, some not. That's it for that section. Then this is the post setting section. Here you can define how the title will be a newly published article whenever it will be generated by the module. This this is like the original title. If you want to prepend or append anything with the title, you can put here, that will be appended. And here is the main thing is happening. This is the template where whenever new post is publishing, then it will take this template, replace it with the available template tag. You will find all the template tags that module support here. This is dynamic. It changes depending on what kind of module you are selecting here. So that's that. Then here you can select the post type. Right now this is a very basic WordPress installation, so it has only post and page. You might have some other plugin installed, or you have registered your own type of post, then it will come in this drop down as well, so you can put that one as well. Then status, so you may publish by default or private. You can make it private or draft, so you can edit and publish by your own, or you can set it as a pending. Whatever the status you want, that will be applied on the newly published post. Then here you see all the categories that you want to apply for the newly published post. This section only shows the categories those are already have created on the sites, and this section is for dynamically creating any category. Like you can comma separate as many as you want. That will be, if the category is not available, then it will be created and inserted to that post. Same for the tags. Right now I do not have any tag, that's why this field is blank, but if I want, I can create it from here. Then post author section. Here I can select who will be like the author of the post. Right now I have only one author, that's why it's showing one. Then if you want to keep the title of the post limited to some specific word, then you can put the word number here. By default it's blank, so it will be published full title. Then same for the content here. If you want to limit the content, then it will be limited to that specific word. And if you want to like you don't want to publish any blog which are less than any specific word, then you can put the number here. Say you don't want to publish any blog which have more than less than 500 characters, then 500 words, then you can put the number there. And if you like want to publish post, those must have some your defined word, then you have to put here. Then if the article is not contains that word, then the article will not be published. So this is some kind of filter. Then if you want to just put some kind of word that should not be on the article, then you can put the word here. So if the article is containing any word from this place, then that article will be rejected as well. And here you can select the translation. When a blog will be published, if you set different language here, then the blog will be published after translating to that specific language. This section is about custom meta. If you want to template your page with some fancy design or something like that, then you may have to use meta support. You can put the meta name and template tag here. All the available template tags from here you can put here, that will be replaced with the specific values. And this space is for search replace. Say you grabbed a content for mango, but you want to publish it as a banana. So you put mango here, then will be replaced with banana. Then it will be automatically replaced. And good thing is that this search replace is regular expression supported. So this section is all about those. Then right side, I have campaign target. Say you want to post only maybe 50 or 20 or 5 articles with this campaign, then you want to stop publishing any new articles. Then whenever the article reaches that target, it will automatically disable. This is the place where you will set how frequently the content will be published. So we have defined like until 24 hours. We may add more depending on the needing purposes. Then campaign status, if you want to deactivate or like activate the things, sometimes you can do that things. And this is a very interesting section. This is readability score. So what happens is, like whenever a post is coming to your site, first of all, WP Content Pilot analyze that content. Is it like readable? It's a good content or bad content? Then depending on many things, it analyze that content and give it a score. So 0 means default, whatever is coming, it will be published. But if you want to make a good level of post, then you can increase as per your need. So that's all. Then this is the template text I already said. Then this is all the posts, those will be published through this campaign. Those will be listed here. Right now it's blank. Then whatever going on with this campaign will be logged here. Later, if you want to remove all the contents generated by this module or this campaign, then you can hit this button to remove all the articles. So let's begin with the first one. I will start with the feed campaign. Let's give it a name. Then I need to grab some URL from where I use the feed links. For demo purpose, I will be using BBC link. So I put the link there. Then you can say go grab the full content from the feed links, or just use the simple, the excerpt of the things. If you click full content, then it will grab the full content from there. I will grab the full content. Then I want to use the first image as a featured image. So that's all I want to do with this campaign. Then I will set the frequency 1 hour. Then make the campaign active. I will create the campaign. So the campaign is active. Then it will go grab the contents from the targeted site. It will make the content for publishable. It will prepare everything. Then it will automatically publish in within 1 hour of this run. So I want to see how it will look like. That's why I want to run a test. So I will click test run. Something happens. Oh, this is a specific targeted link, so I need to allow for speed. Means this is actually a targeted link. So maybe this is somehow blocked my. Let's try with the article. Let's article. So for article, if you want to get help from Google for any relevant keyword or very good keyword, you can use this keyword suggestion tools. This is very nice. And say I want to go and grab some content for bonsai tree, so I can try type here bonsai tree here, and then it will be inserted in the keyword section. I want to use the first image as featured image, then set campaign frequency active. I want to see how it will publish the content. So what will happen right now is it will go and grab some articles links, and it will polish the article, and it will remove anything that is not related to the main article. Then it will prepare. So uh, it should take some time. So if it is if you are seeing this message, that means it's still working. The link is generated but not ready for uh, running the campaign. So you may need to let's try now. Okay, so it's grabbed the content and it's ready for the it's already published the content, so I can see the content here. So this is the blog that published by the WP Content Pilot. So it's a nice and cleaned article. I can see more from here by clicking test run. This is one another. So this is a clean article. So like this, you can use any modules you want. I want to show you one few more modules here. Let's start one other. That was articles. So let this one start with any affiliation type things. Affiliation, Walmart. So like I need to put some keywords for what kind of product I am going to promote from my site for the affiliation. Let's say I want to get product for mobile. Then I can set for the featured image. Then yeah, you can use as many as you want from here. All the features you see, all the template text is available for this kind of module. You can make your post template any custom types or anything that you like. This is a very basic that we put it as a default thing. You can customize like you want. You can put any kind of short code or anything inside here. So let's make this thing active. So one thing is needed for this kind of Walmart things. You first need to go to settings and set the API key for that specific module. Without that, the campaign will not run. So I need to go to Walmart and put my API key and publisher key. Our every section of these settings have a details blog. You can go through those links and set the API key, and you can generate your own. Let me set my API key here. So I just set my API key. Let's click test run. So this is same like we saw for the articles. Now it will go and grab some articles. It will prepare for posting with all the template text we have. So yeah, we need to allow some time so it can prepare the articles for us. Okay, so it's published the post here. You can see here. So this is the title of that product, then product image, then very basic information that we put it in the template section here, and here is a button with your affiliate key already embedded here. If I click here, it will take me to the main product page. uh, you know it will automatically apply to your affiliation code. So I can customize here, like if I want to put anything extra here, like say I want to put model number. If it is available, then it will be added here. Let's put stock instead of model number. I will update the campaign and want to see a test. So you see the stock is showing now, it's available. So this is how you can customize your content section. You can put as many information as you want from the right side available for template text. That's for Walmart. In the same way, you can put any kind of modules from here. You can put Amazon article, Best Buy, CareerJet, ClickBank, Craigslist, eBay, Envato, Asian articles, Facebook's feeds, Flickr, Instagram, iTunes, Pinterest, Quora, Reddit, SoundCloud, Twitter, Walmart, and YouTube. So some of the modules do not need any kind of API information. Some needs. So those modules need API information. You must set API information from the settings information. Otherwise, the module will not run, or it will not post any kind of content. So this section is article settings. From here, say you want to don't want to get any kind of articles from Bing, Google, or YouTube, or Wikipedia, then you can put the links or domain here. It will automatically reject any content if it is from those domains. So this is for the article section. And YouTube, you need to put the API key for the YouTube. Flickr, it's same. For Envato, you need to put Envato tokens and impact radius affiliate URL. And every field has these links. It will direct you how you can create the information from the related sites. I already talked about these things before. Then this is ClickBank for your username. Then Best Buy, Facebook, SoundCloud, Twitter, Walmart, eBay, CareerJet, Amazon, iTunes, Instagram, and Easy Articles. Let's try with another module. We can, which type we will try. Let's see how it goes with Quora. I want to get a post related to WordPress. I want to set the image as specified image, then campaign frequency. Okay, so the campaign is set. I can click test run. So it's same, like it will go and grab some content now and prepare for posting. Now, okay, we got our first post from Quora. Here it is. Yeah, it's cool. It's automatically post from those modules, using those modules from various source. That's it, Lindsay. So now I think we should give some questions.
Awesome, thank you so much. So the question that we received is about the roadmap. So I'm going to ask you first about their specific question. They asked about content spend. Will that become available?
Sorry, I did not get you. Can you repeat?
Content spend, when will that become available?
Yeah, we have a very planned roadmap. So we are planning for the spin tax within the first quarter of 2020, but we think we will be able to do these things within January of the 2020. So here is our full roadmap, like spin tax, keyword tax, and like more integrating so many others module as well. So yeah, hopefully that will be within first week of January. Spin tax will be supported.
Awesome. Yeah, I've been keeping up with the comments that you've been leaving, and you did say that you're taking ideas from Sumolings. You're definitely listening. So if other people have ideas for this roadmap, there's also a link that's been shared a few times on the deal page you can check out. It's also been shared in the Q&A here if you all want to check that out too. I want to ask you then, so there are a lot of features here. You have 20 different modules. I just want to know, what are you most excited about and what are your users loving? Thank you for showing the roadmap, by the way. That's awesome.
So we are excited with regarding one thing that is put it here, like a SaaS-based service. Like what we are planning is it's a WordPress server, and we experienced lots of problem for different kind of hosting. Like some module needs some specific type of features to run, but somehow that is not available on that hosting environment. So users get problems with the content curation. So we are planning to make a dedicated server in our end, and it will automatically get it will send all kind of requirement to our server, and we will prepare the content and send back to the user server, and it will be posted on from there. So it will need less resource, and everything will be well and prepared. That's what we are excited about.
That is awesome. Thank you so much. We don't have any more questions today, but of course, Sumolings, you're more than welcome to leave questions on the deal page. They will get answered as soon as possible. If you've not already redeemed your code for WP Content Pilot Pro, I highly recommend you head over to appsumo.com. You'll find it under Browse and in the WordPress Tools shop. It's starting at just $39. And as always, it's backed by AppSumo's 60-day guarantee. So feel free to set it up, play around with it, see how it works for you, and let us know in the comments how it's going. If you have any further questions, of course, head over to the deal page. We would love to answer those for you, and we look forward to seeing what you all come up with. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you,
Sultan. Have a good one, everybody.